New tonight, we are following a Florida appeals court decision that gives Governor Ron DeSantis a huge victory in the fight to redraw Florida's congressional districts. But Florida's House Minority Leader says the governor's map robs some black voters of representation. 10 Tampa Bay's Miguel Octavio is in studio tonight with what is next and why this could impact voters right here in Tampa Bay.
Now, much of the focus is over District 5 in North Florida. This is what the map looked like before. You can see it was largely a Democrat district stretching between Jacksonville and Tallahassee. This is what it looked like now. A few months ago, a judge ruled that this map violated the state constitution, but recently, an appeals court overruled that decision, siding with the governor. The battle over Florida's map is reaching beyond the ballots. Plaintiffs are suing Florida both on the state and federal level.
I mean, we are not going to have a 200-mile gerrymander that divvies up people based on the color of their skin.
Governor DeSantis redrew the map after vetoing the legislature's version. The DeSantis version divided District 2 and dismantled District 5, unseating Congressman Lawson.
I was personally just very upset and very frustrated.
Democrat and Florida House Minority Leader Fentress Driscoll.
DeSantis's map effectively takes away the Black community in North Florida's ability to elect a representative of their choice.
Plaintiffs argue the new map diminishes a district where Black voters made up nearly half of registered voters. Instead, they say it helped elect 4 more Republicans into the U.S. House. In the new ruling, the appellate court wrote in part, "Nothing in the record describes who the Black voters are as members of a meaningful community."
We've gone through slavery, we've gone through the civil rights movement, we've gone through Jim Crow, and all of these things, and in so many ways are still fighting just to be able to exercise our rights to vote. So absolutely there's a shared experience.
Expect an appeal to the Florida Supreme Court, but the real impact will be at the federal court, says political analyst Dr. Lars Hafner.
As we've seen in other states, how the federal courts have reversed decisions that have been made by state legislatures that have been deemed gerrymandering.
That could trigger Florida to redraw its current map.
Then there's a trickle-down effect throughout the rest of the state, including the Tampa Bay area.
Hafner says the federal court could rule by the end of the month. Miguel Octavio, 10 Tampa Bay.
This redistricting case is one of several across the nation challenging the GOP's redrawn maps. Right now, Republicans hold a slim majority in the U.S. House.